In Excel, there are many different types of charts available to help visualize data clearly and effectively. Charts allow us to present data in a way that makes it easier to understand and analyze. One of the most common types is the column chart. A column chart uses vertical columns to compare values across different categories. It is especially useful when you want to show differences between distinct groups. Another type is the bar chart, which is similar to the column chart but uses horizontal bars instead of vertical columns. Bar charts are helpful when you have long category names or need to display many categories, as they make the information easier to read. The line chart is designed to display trends over time. It connects data points with lines, showing how values change across a continuous period. This type of chart is perfect for highlighting trends or patterns in data, such as sales over months or years. The pie chart illustrates proportions within a dataset. It is best used when you want to show percentages or parts of a whole, especially when you have a small number of categories, usually no more than 5 or 6. This chart makes it easy to see the relative size of each group. The area chart is similar to a line chart, but it fills the space below the line with color, emphasizing the total value. It is useful when you want to show how different parts contribute to a whole over time. Lastly, the scatter chart is used to analyze relationships between two sets of numerical data. It helps identify correlations or patterns between variables, making it a valuable tool for more advanced data analysis. Choosing the right chart helps make your data presentation clearer, more effective, and more professional. Try applying these chart types in your Excel worksheets to improve your data storytelling skills.